Welcome to the Second Nature BMP RAM Field Protocol video series. This video outlines how to perform the remaining capacity field protocol. The remaining capacity field protocol is required for all treatment vault, biofiltration, bioretention, sediment trap, and filtration device structural BMPs. The purpose of this protocol is to rapidly determine a BMP's treatment capacity for stormwater. Field equipment required is dependent on the BMP type and what field assessment method is used. For BMPs such as treatment vaults, sediment traps, and confined space BMPs, field crew will need a stadia rod, flashlight, and a manhole opener. For biofiltration and bioretentions, field crew will need 2 tape measures, a stadia rod, and a handheld sight level. Before field observations can be made, benchmark values must be established for the remaining capacity. These values must be made when the structural BMP is known to be free of debris, usually following installation or recent maintenance. A benchmark value is measured in the same way as a field observation. Please follow the appropriate steps for your structural BMP type. For treatment vaults and confined space BMPs, measure the depth from the bottom of the clean vault to the top of the manhole used for access for each measurement. For sediment trap BMPs, measure the depth from the bottom of the clean BMP to the lowest elevation at which water can flow out from the BMP. When performing the field observations, please make sure not to force the measuring tool into the accumulated debris. For bioretention and biofiltration BMPs, measure the depth from the lowest point of the ponding surface to the invert of the outlet structure. This can be measured in 2 ways. The first method uses 2 tape measures. One field crew member pulls a tape measure from the outlet over the deepest point. The second field crew member measures vertically from the lowest ponding area to the level tape measure. The second method uses a handheld sight level. Have one field crew member hold a stadia rod at a point in between the outlet and the lowest ponding depth. The other crew member uses the sight level to make 2 separate height readings on the stadia rod. One from the outlet structure looking toward the deepest point, and one from the deepest point looking toward the outlet. Then calculate the difference between the 2 readings. If there are multiple outlets, repeat this measurement for each outlet. Enter in all appropriate benchmark and field observation values in the user form on bmpram.com. Make sure to click the floppy disk icon to save all measurements. When all measurements are completed, click Save and Close. This completes all steps necessary to complete the remaining capacity field observation. Thanks for watching.